Good morning, students. Today, I, Bhavna Saxena, PRT from KV1 AFS Agra, going to teach you the concept of loan and interest given in Chapter 1, The Fish Tale. Firstly, we will understand what is money. Money is a current medium of exchange in form of coins and banknotes collectively. You can understand with the help of a simple example. Whenever you go to market, you have to buy something, then you pay something in return to shopkeeper. For example, you have to buy a book and the cost of book is rupees 80. Then you have to pay 80 rupees in form of notes or coins to purchase that book. So what is money? Money is a current medium of exchange in the form of coins and banknotes collectively. Now, the next. What is bank? What is bank? Bank is a financial institution where customers can save or borrow money. If you want to save your money, you can keep it safely in the bank. And if you want to borrow some money, you can borrow it from the bank. Now, the next concept is loan. What is loan? An amount of money that is borrowed from a bank and has to be paid back, usually together with an extra amount of money. You can understand with an example. Suppose you have to purchase a home. Now you need 2 lakh rupees that you can borrow from the bank. So this amount of money is known as loan that is taken from the bank. Next, what is interest? Interest is the extra money paid for borrowing money. Interest is the extra money paid for borrowing money. Now, you can understand the whole thing with the help of an example. Suppose I have to purchase a car. I borrowed rupees 1 lakh from bank. I paid back rupees 10,000 each month to bank for 1 year. Then loan taken is equal to rupees 1 lakh that is borrowed from bank. And the paid money is equal to 10,000 every month. So in 12 months, 1,20,000. So now interest is equal to 1,20,000 में से you minus 1 lakh rupees. So the money you paid extra is rupees 20,000. That 20,000 rupees is known as interest. I hope you enjoyed today's concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.